Here we are, it's October 1st, 2016. This is a pile of our treated Blue Blizzard ice melt that at some point over the summer the tarp has disintegrated. I just want to show that our product, even after setting for several months, still does not lock up. If you look, there's very little crust on it. There's about maybe a quarter of an inch of crust on this. And down below, as you can see, the color is still beautiful. So it held all summer long, even with no canvas on it. Now we're going to walk over to an untreated pile of straight rock salt, which was dumped there within a week of the treated salt. This pile also had no canvas on it, and this is untreated white rock salt. As you can see, there's 4 to 5 inches of crust on this salt, and underneath is nice and white. Again, the benefits of the Blue Blizzard ice melter: not only does it not lock up in the wintertime, but it doesn't lock up in the summertime either.